In this short video, we'll see how to search for objects in data structures using DQL, Directual Query Language. You'll find a search bar in the Database tab and use simple and complex queries to find objects in the structures. For example, let's type first name equals Leo. And we found one object. Note that the equal operator is case sensitive. If we want to ignore the case, we should use the like operator. It's also possible to combine different conditions using the operators and or. Note that you should always use quotes for values if they're not numbers. A number should be typed without quotes. You'll find detailed examples, including dates, in the documentation. You can build filters of any complexity using brackets and the or operators. If we just type an ID in the search bar without expressions, we'll quickly find an object with that ID.